Good morning. How is everyone this morning? Well, this is Wednesday, and I hope everybody's gonna have a great day today. So right now I'm making my morning coffee, which today we brewed up caramel, and it's from Aldi's. It's that Barissimo brand. It's really good. And I love the caramel because I can pretty much doctor it up to anything I want it to be. So today we're going to do a caramel pumpkin pie spice, and I'm going to do a pumpkin cold foam. So I got that, and I'm going to go ahead and add my ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seems to be the magic number for this. Anyway, and here's my caramel sauce. And I'm going to put pumpkin pie spice Jordan Skinny syrup. A couple little pours of that. And then I'm going to add my salted caramel. Yep, a little bit more caramel. And then I'm going to add my coffee. And today I am going, like I said, make a pumpkin cold foam. So I'm going to use my heavy cream. What I have left in this carton. Don't worry, I have another carton. Anyway, and that pumpkin puree I used the other day, I'm using it this morning. I'm about doing a half a tablespoon. I add it to my cold foam here. You know what I did forget? I forgot I wanted to grab some pumpkin pie spice. And maybe, there's some cinnamon in this, so I'm actually going to go ahead and put a little bit in now. And then I'm going to add, I have a little bit left of some cookie butter. So I'm going to put that into my cold foam. Still got a little bit left, not much. And I'm going to take my frother and froth this up. Oh my goodness, that was so good. Okay, I'm going to put this on top. I'll pour the rest in as I drink it down. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more just to prettify it. I want you to see this up close. That is pretty. All right, now I'm going to stir it That cold foam turned out wonderful. That one's a winner. So hope you try that one, and you guys have a wonderful day.